Kali Linux is a Linux distribution based on Debian that is developed for digital forensics and penetration testing. Kali Linux is a highly flexible and efficient operating system based on the Linux kernel and several other major open-source software packages. It's a strong penetration testing platform that's also perfect for security auditing, reverse engineering, and other security-related activities. Today we are going to install Kali Linux on the Oracle Cloud platform and set up an RDP connection. You can use this server on a graphic user interface without an SSH connection. I use Oracle Cloud free tier AMD VM instance for this tutorial. At the end of this tutorial, you can get a 24/7 Kali Linux machine for your cybersecurity learning. First, you have to sign up for Oracle Cloud free tier. It is a very easy task, so I am not going to show it. Check the article in the description for the registration link. After you register on the Oracle Cloud, log into the dashboard. In the dashboard, click the Create a VM instance button to start setting up your server. In this window, you will be able to customize the server as you wish. You can change the instance name using any name. Under Image and Shapes, click the little edit link at the corner. Then click the Change Image button to select an OS. In the list, you can see platform images you can use for this server. We want the Kali Linux OS instead of these OS. So, click on Image Source in the drop-down menu, select Oracle Images. Here you can see Kali Linux as an image. Select it as your OS and you have to accept Oracle standard terms and restrictions. For networking, you can select an existing virtual network or create a new one. You can also change the name of your networks and subnets. Download SSH private key, it may be useful later. You can specify the boot volume for this instance here. By default it is around 100 GB, so I go with the default volume. After finishing all the customization, click the Create button to deploy the server. Wait until the instance is running. By default, the Kali Linux instance is not accessible using an SSH connection. So you have to make a console connection to this VPS. Under Resources, click the console connection, then launch the Cloud Shell connection. You can see Cloud Shell connection is set up, wait until it finishes. The default username and password is Debian. Now you have successfully installed the Kali Linux on Oracle Cloud Virtual Machine. Let's set up a remote desktop connection to this server. Before installing the RDP, we can add virtual memory to this system. For that, get root access by typing this command. Check the availability of memory, typing this. There is no swap space. To add the new swap file, paste the following command. You can find all the commands and guidelines in the article. Check the video description. This takes some time, wait until you get new lines on the terminal. Don't write or re-enter it. You will get this output when it is finished. Recheck the available memory of the server. You can see the swap file added to the system. Now we can proceed to RDP installation. I have cleared the terminal why this is empty, so don't get confused. Enter this command to start the installation process. This installation takes a long time to finish. Don't close the terminal. You will encounter some windows with choices. For all of those, you can proceed with default selections. I am going to skip the process. At the end of the installation, you will get this screen. Now you can enable the XRDP with this command. To run the XRDP, use this command. Here you have finished installing RDP in the Kali desktop environment. You can minimize or close the console. Right-click on the subnet name and open it on a new window. Click on the security list name to enter the Firewall Rules section. You have to enable the RDP port to connect to this server. For that, click the Add Ingress Rules button. On the IP protocol drop-down menu, select RDP and save the configuration. Let's connect to the server. Open the Remote Desktop Connection app and enter the following details. First, enter your machine's public IP address and click Connect. Type Debian for both password and the username. This is your Kali Linux desktop with all tools and apps. Use this server only for educational purposes. Hacking is illegal if you are doing it without permission from the owner of the computer or computer network. Hacking without permission can attract criminal charges and a jail term if found guilty. So remember it. If you any issues regarding the tutorial, open the question directly on the Minex community forum. Because most of the YouTube comments are missed from us. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Thank you for watching Minex.